Good morning, class. Today we're going to do a comprehension lesson about think out loud strategies. I have a checklist that we are going to be using, as well as a helper monkeys book. This is for 3rd grade, and this could be done during a RTI small group or as a large class, like an inclusion classroom. I made modifications and accommodations to accommodate both. So I'm going to begin. I will begin my lesson with a vocabulary review. I will have my students have their handy dandy checklists. I will ask them, what is predicting? What is questioning? What is visualizing? What is personal response? What is clarifying, summarizing, and reflecting? And how can I make text-to-text connections or self-to-text connections or self-to-world connections while we read our book, this book. All right. Let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and look at the cover, look at the pictures. I predict this book is going to be information about helper monkeys. Also, this little monkey is so cute. Can you imagine it cleaning in my house or my office, dusting my books? That'd be amazing. Oh, look at that. We just predicted and we did a visualizing. I could picture, I predict. I can see. I'm going to go ahead and tally. I predict, and I am visualizing. 2 for 2. All right, class, let's start by reading. Monkeys at jobs. What kind of job might be good for a monkey? Could it pick bananas? Could it climb ladders? It could certainly swing from trees. Capuchin monkeys like these can learn to help people. This monkey has learned to feed food to this man. But would you be surprised to find out that some monkeys do have jobs? Some monkeys learn to help people who can't do things for themselves. These monkeys are called helper monkeys. Pretty illustrations. I'm going to take a second and pause. Well, let's ask ourselves, what kind of monkeys are helpful monkeys? Let's go back to the test. Capuchin monkeys are helpful monkeys. And why do these monkeys, what kind of people do these monkeys help? Let's go back to the text. Right here. Some monkeys learn to help people who can't do things for themselves. They're called helper monkeys. Wow, we just questioned ourselves as we were reading. We were thinking out loud. Let's do 2 tallies in the questioning column on our checklist. Ta-da! And I would continue this lesson as such. I would continue to read. I would pause after about 2 paragraphs, so 2 pages, and I would model the behavior that I want my students to have. I would model the questioning. And then at that point, at the very end of the book, I will ask the students to make any connections to the text. Like, for example, I connect to this text because my grandmother has a service dog, and these monkeys are quite equivalent to service dogs. They help people who have special needs. They help people who need help. That is a text connection. That's a personal connection that I made to the text. I would ask my students to do just that. I hope you enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.